Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Synthesia.io. Synthesia.io offers a fascinating platform for creating AI-generated videos. It provides a streamlined process for producing professional-looking videos without the need for cameras, microphones, or actors. Simply input your script, choose an avatar, and let Synthesia's AI technology do the rest. The platform boasts a diverse library of avatars, representing various ethnicities, genders, and professions, allowing for personalized and inclusive video creation. If you're seeking a unique touch, you can even create a custom avatar based on your own likeness. This feature adds a layer of personalization and branding potential for businesses and individuals alike. Synthesia.io simplifies video production by automating several time-consuming tasks. Beyond generating the video itself, the platform offers features such as closed captions, translations into multiple languages, and a selection of background music and templates. These additions streamline the editing process and enhance the overall quality of the final product. While the technology is impressive, it's worth noting that the avatars, while realistic, still retain subtle characteristics that identify them as AI-generated. However, this aspect is continually improving as the technology evolves. Synthesia's strength lies in its ability to quickly and efficiently produce engaging video content, making it an invaluable tool for businesses needing to create training materials, product demos, or marketing videos. Consider Synthesia.io if you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective method to create engaging video content. It empowers users to bypass the traditional hurdles of video production, offering a simplified yet powerful solution for communicating effectively through video. This platform has significantly changed the landscape of video creation, making it more accessible than ever before. It's a tool worth exploring for anyone seeking to enhance their communication strategies in the digital age. Its user-friendly interface and powerful AI engine make it a compelling option for creating high-quality videos with minimal effort. The platform is constantly updating and improving, promising even more impressive features in the future.